Hi, I'm going to show you how I make my direct paper ATCs. Lots of ways of doing it, everybody has their own ideas, but this is mine. Now I've got one of the new Super Duper Tim Holtz sponge applicators, really nice, but that's what I used to use before we had the Tim Holtz handle cosmetic sponge. These are the inks I'm going to use. Doesn't matter whether they're Chalks, Versamagic, Brilliance, doesn't matter. I've got two Brilliance, two Versamagic. I like these cat's eye because of the shape, very useful shape. Right, so I'm going to start with the lightest of the colours. So, go at it, circular motions. Don't have to cover every bit of the paper. That's it. That colour. On to the next darkest colour. Start filling in the gaps with this colour. There's a third colour. To be a bit careful with these colours, quite dark. Be a bit sparing, but this, I like the darker colours to be towards the edges because I like the centre to be left for the image to show up better. You can see. Now, if you feel that you need some to go back on the colours and then a bit more colour, I tend to use two ends of the sponge. Blend it in slightly. Now I'm going to use that colour again to put a background. I like to try something on it, and this is going to be, oops, sorry about that, a script. It doesn't have to be too accurate with the placement, it doesn't have to print all over. So now I'm going to choose the main image. I'm going to use the darker colour for it. And I think, choosing hard, I'm going to have that one. I'm going to put it across, like that. And just a small one from the same set. going to use some of it, not all of it. There we go. We have a direct paper ATC. So, why not join in reading the swap this month? Bye!